The Serum Institute of India, the manufacturer of Covishield, has asked for indemnity from liability, saying all vaccine makers, whether Indian or foreign, should be granted the same protection. Not just Serum Institute of India, all the vaccine companies should get indemnity protection against liabilities if foreign companies are granted it, Serum sources said on Thursday. The move comes after Pfizer and Moderna urged the centre to waive off the indemnity clause to aid the vaccine process in India. A Dominican magistrate court on Thursday rejected the bail application of fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi in connection with his illegal entry into the country. Following the hearing, Choksi's legal team told the press that they will move an appeal to the upper court. The court heard the extradition case of fugitive businessman Choksi, who had allegedly fled from Antigua last week. The Union Health Ministry finalized advanced arrangement for 30 crore COVID-19 vaccines with Hyderabad-based Biological E on Thursday. The COVID-19 vaccine of Biological E is currently undergoing phase 3 clinical trial after showing promising results in phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials. The vaccine being developed by Biological E is a RBD protein subunit vaccine and is likely to be available in the next few months. In April, the Hyderabad company had got the nod from the Central Drugs and Standards Control Organization to conduct phase 3 trials on its COVID vaccine candidate, which it is developing in association with Baylor College of Medicine, US, and is modeled after the hepatitis E vaccine. A total of 788 children below 3 years and 5,226 aged between 4 to 13 either lost both parents, one parent, or were abandoned during the pandemic. According to a report by Times of India, out of the total 9,346 children, 3,332 belong to the 14 to 17 age group. The gender breakup of the data shared by the National Commission for Child Rights was part of its affidavit in the Supreme Court on Thursday. 4860 of the children are boys and 4486 are girls. India has recorded 1,34,154 fresh COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, along with 2,887 deaths. Tamil Nadu and Kerala continued to be the states posting the highest number of daily COVID cases in the country. Top 5 states which have registered maximum cases are Tamil Nadu with 25,317 cases, followed by Kerala with 19,661 cases, Karnataka with 16,387 cases, Maharashtra with 15,169 cases, and Andhra Pradesh with 12,768 cases.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.